Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Grade 1's K first Bahta. I hope you are all well and you are ready for today's Quran lesson. Okay, before we start, remember we need to start with our morning dua. So let's just put our hands together and recite the morning dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ilahi ya ilahi ya ilahal alamin. Ij'alil yawman sa'idan wa kathiral barakat. واملئ صدرا شراحا وفمي بالباسمات وأنر عقلي وقلبي بالعلوم النافعات واجعل التوفيق حدي ونصيبي في الحياة اللهم بك أصبحنا وبك أمسينا وبك نحيا وبك نموت وإليك النشور Ameen. Okay, now there are letters in front of you and I'm going to ask you to try and remember them because we've learned them from the beginning of the part 1 Quran. Let's start from the first one. Who can tell me what letter is this? Remember in the story, the boat, the lazy boat ride that they went for, and they looked at the star that looked like it was near, but it was so far away. That is our letter Fa. And remember, the line on the top is known as a fatha. And what sound does a fatha make? It makes a sound. So when you put the F sound with the sound, meaning you're going to take the starting of this here and join it with that sound, that is how you're going to get the word F. Okay, next one. Can you remember in the story the snake that was coming out of the cage and the three of them said shh? Good. So it makes a sh sound. Fatha makes a sound. That becomes sh. Next one, the umbrella starts with a la. Fatha makes a sound. Let's put it next to it. That becomes a la. Next one, the noon starts with a n sound. Fatha on the top. Na. Okay. Next one, wow. Remember the fireworks. Wow. Wow with a fatha becomes wa. Next one, meme. Remember he was blowing bubbles with his mouth. Starts with a m, and a fatha becomes ma. The lion makes a raw sound. R, with a fatha becomes ra. And I want you to say it like a lion. Ra. Next one, the letter ya. Starts with a ya. Fatha on top. What sound does that make? Ya. Next one, the letter ba with a fatha, ba. And the last one, the letter Jim. Remember, he said G, mommy. Jim with a fatha becomes ja. So we know the fatha only makes a sound. So whenever you find a letter with a fatha on top of it, we're going to read the starting of the letter sound and ending it with the sound. Okay, so that is our recap on our fatha. Now, I want you to open up to lesson 16, page 16, sorry, and it's under lesson 4. So it's lesson 4, page 16, and I'm giving you the entire page as sabak because it's recapping on all these letters over again. Remember, when it comes to joining 2 letters together or 3 letters together, we cut the letters in half and stick them together. So let's start. Begin with your ta'awudh and tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا يما يرى يوى ينا يلا يشا يا ج بجمة لجنة شجرة شجرة فجرة نجمة ججرة ش لشمة نشرة بشرة فشوى جشبة مشلة ششج. Ya. Remember the letter ya? When it has to join, we cut it in half. So the 2 dots under is the letter ya. Ya with a fatha, ya. Sh, ya, ra. B, ya, la. M, ya, na. P, ya, wa. L, ya, ya. J, ya, ja. Ya, ya, sha. Okay, at the bottom of page 16, you're going to write the date as the 25th stroke 06. And the reason for that is because you're going to take the sabak for tomorrow as well. Okay, so it's a sabak for 2 days. So make sure that you go over it today as well as tomorrow. What you're going to write? 25 stroke 06. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.